Mars or Titan, the red planet or Saturn's mysterious moon? Which one is the ultimate destination for humanity's next great adventure? Buckle up as we dive into this interplanetary showdown. On January 20th, 2024, US President Donald Trump announced an ambitious plan for America to land on Mars. And let's not forget Elon Musk's dream of transporting millions to build a Martian colony city. It seems the red planet is on everyone's mind. Before we start comparing Mars and Titan, let's ask the big question: why leave Earth at all? Climate change, overpopulation, dwindling resources, these are just a few reasons why we might look to the stars for a fresh start. And while the moon is close and convenient, it's not exactly cozy for long-term living. That leaves us with two main contenders: Mars, our red neighbor, and Titan, the enigmatic moon of Saturn. So, let's break this down. Mars has captured our imagination for centuries. It's the planet we know best, thanks to countless missions from rovers like Perseverance and orbiters like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Here's why Mars might be our first choice. At its closest, Mars is about 55 million kilometers from Earth. That's a 6 to 9 month trip with current technology. Long? Yes, but manageable compared to Titan, which is nearly 10 times farther. Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity. While it's weaker than what we're used to, it's strong enough to keep your muscles and bones relatively healthy compared to the zero gravity of space or Titan's much weaker pull. Mars has frozen water beneath its surface, and its thin atmosphere contains carbon dioxide, which can be used to make breathable oxygen and rocket fuel. Plus, its surface gets enough sunlight for solar panels to generate power. Mars' climate is extreme. Daytime temperatures can rise to around 20 degrees Celsius near the equator, but at night, they plummet to minus 73 degrees Celsius or lower. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet, reducing sunlight and posing challenges for solar power. Here's a challenge. Mars doesn't have a global magnetic field. While it does have localized weak magnetic fields, they provide minimal protection from cosmic radiation. Future Martian colonists would need artificial shielding, like underground habitats or advanced materials, to survive long-term. And let's not forget the intense radiation and dust storms that can last for months. Mars isn't going to make it easy for us. Now let's talk about Titan, Saturn's largest moon. It's a world shrouded in mystery with a thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. Sounds strange? Absolutely. But there's a lot to like about Titan. Titan's atmosphere is dense, about 1.5 times thicker than Earth's, offering excellent protection from cosmic radiation. That's a huge plus for human settlers. Titan's lakes and rivers aren't water. They're methane and ethane. While that's not great for swimming, it's a treasure trove for energy production. Scientists believe we could harness Titan's hydrocarbons to fuel a colony. Titan's low gravity, just 14% of Earth's, might make for fun activities like human-powered flight with wingsuits. Imagine gliding over those methane lakes. Titan's climate is harsh and frigid. Temperatures average around minus 180 degrees Celsius. Its surface is covered in ice and hydrocarbons, and sunlight is limited to about 1% of what Earth receives. Any colony would need to generate heat and light artificially to sustain life. Unlike Mars, Titan doesn't have its own magnetic field, but it's within Saturn's powerful magnetosphere, which provides some protection from cosmic radiation. Combined with Titan's dense atmosphere, its surface is much safer from radiation compared to Mars. But Titan has its downsides. It's incredibly far away, making communication with Earth a lengthy process, and it's cold, really cold. Temperatures hover around minus 180 degrees Celsius. Not exactly beach weather. So, which is better, Mars or Titan? The answer depends on your priorities. Mars is closer, sunnier, and has a wealth of resources we're already planning to use. It's the practical choice for our first interplanetary colony. Titan, on the other hand, offers unique advantages like radiation protection and abundant energy resources, but it's farther and much colder. It might be better suited as a second-wave option once we've mastered the art of living off-world. What do you think? Are you Team Mars or Team Titan? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.